In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the monetization eligibility tool in Meta Business Suite. If you manage content through Meta Business Suite and want to understand whether your account or assets are eligible for monetization features, this tool is a helpful place to start. It gives you a quick view of your current status, what programs may be available to you, and where to find educational resources that explain the next steps. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, click on Monetization. This takes you to the main monetization area where Meta groups together tools and information related to earnings, eligibility, and setup. If you don't immediately recognize the page, just look for the section focused on monetization options and account status. Once you're there, click on Status. This is the section that helps you understand where things currently stand. It's especially useful if you want to check whether your page or account meets the requirements for monetization features. The status area is essentially your overview page, and it can help you identify whether you're ready to move forward or whether there are still requirements that need attention. After that, click on Programs to set up. This section is important because it shows you which monetization programs may be available for configuration. In other words, if your account is eligible for certain earning tools. This is where you can review those opportunities and begin the setup process. Take your time here and read the options carefully so you understand what's available in your specific business suite environment. Next, click on Education to view resources. This part of the monetization area is useful if you want more guidance before moving ahead. The education section typically helps you better understand program requirements, platform policies, and best practices for getting started. If you're new to monetization, this is a great place to spend a few extra minutes because it can save you time and confusion later. That's all it takes to access and use the monetization eligibility tool in Meta Business Suite. You start in the monetization section, check your status, review programs to set up, and then use education to learn more about the available resources. Following this path gives you a clear and organized way to evaluate your monetization readiness and understand what to do next inside the platform.